visit here and you need a massage. Hey guys, so what's up? Good morning. Today it's 21st of October 2018 and right now it's 5:40 in the morning. I'm heading for a ride. Welcome back to my channel, Vlogs Manish. Okay, so today I'm riding to Hogenakkal Falls, which is 140 kilometers from my location, and as per Google Auntie it will take 3 hours to include like half an hour break of chai and breakfast, so totally 3.5 hours. Hopefully by 9:30 should reach there. 1.5 month and I'm riding and vlogging. Feels really good. कभी लाइफ में ब्रेक लेना चाहिए from everything and just sit back and relax for some time. Focus करो चीज़ों पे and then you'll be back on. So temperature is somewhere around like 18 degrees. काफ़ी ठंडा है and I got to sleep only for 4 hours. So now I need to reach Johnson Market, which is near the Hosur Road. From there I will be joining Bhai, so he will be waiting there for me. Finally Bhai has joined me now for the ride. अभी हम लोग हैं नियर मड़ीवाला एंड भाई इज देयर ऑन द वर्सेस बाइक. काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है. It's 8:15 right now and we did finish our breakfast at Sarvana Bhavan in Dandi Kotai. So as per Google Auntie, another 62 kilometers and 1 hour 31 minutes. So hopefully by 9:30 we should reach there. Okay, so it's 9:45 in the morning and we have finally made it to Hogenakkal Falls. So the last 22 kilometer stretch is not that really great. It's kind of okay. You know, the road was quite bad. But right now we have reached here somehow after a lot of struggle. And as you can see in the background, there's quite much of water here. मुझे लगा था पानी कम रहेगा because last year I did visit in the month of like November or something and the place was completely dried up, but now it's a different look. You visit here and you need a massage, then you can definitely try this, taking a massage over here. It will be worth, I'm sure, but I'm not going to take. So it's good, it's fun. Price. So if you want, you can come and try. It's just 200 bucks over here. So right.
One, two, three, talk, one, late, fine.
fresh over here, and it will be definitely worth. We are trying right now. Katla fish, 50 rupees each. So I'll just have and then let you know how it goes. If it's good, then you can try. If not, then definitely do not try.
फिश को ऐसा फ्राई करके ना
हाँ,
सोल को भी जला देता है इतना डीप फ्राइड है
एक्चुअली ना खाने के बाद रिव्यू मिलेगा. Okay, so it's 7:45 in the evening, and मैं कुछ 3 बजे के आसपास घर आ गया, and after that like literally tired, so just crashed out and woke up around like 6 o'clock, and फिर fresh होके अभी नहा धो के एकदम मस्त झकास. So अभी बात करते हैं about the fish which I tried over there. Quickly review कर देता हूँ. So regarding the quality, out of 5 it's 4. Price out of 5 it's 4. Taste out of 5 3.5. So overall, you can try once. Talking about this place, if you should visit this place or not, Hogenakkal Falls is pretty decent place, kind of good, waterfalls and all. Last year when I visited in the month of November, it was decent, there was not much crowd, or probably, the place was not a kind of tourist place, not overcrowded. But today when I visited, definitely if some, any of my friends or family ask me should I visit that place, I would suggest not to visit, because it's too much crowded. Probably it's Sunday or long weekend, I'm not sure, but it was like kind of अभी बोल सकते हैं कि तिरुपति टाइप, मतलब इतने सारे लोग हैं वहाँ पर, ऑयल मसाज चल रहा है, and it's very crowded. You can't even enjoy over there and spend some time. It's like भागा दौड़ी करो, यहाँ जाओ वहाँ जाओ, and बैठने के लिए एक प्रॉपर जगह नहीं है. So it's not really that great, or probably you should visit in the weekends, because I have not done that. Sorry, weekdays. तो probably visit in the weekdays and figure it out कि तब crowd रहेगा नहीं. Roads are amazing. मतलब the government has maintained the roads so well that if you probably a one day trip, or drive or ride anything, it's definitely worth going there. So, and also yes, in my next video I'll be doing a complete review of the new bike, Kawasaki Versus, which I got recently, 650cc. So I'll give you a complete review in the next. Okay guys, for now that's it. Fan is off and I'm like sweating like pig. So for now that's it. If you like this video, or probably for any reason, or if you're new, and or if you have some feedback, then please do comment. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, and if you're new, then subscribe. On that note guys, खुश रहो, दूसरों को खुश रखो, and बाकी time you know what to do. Bye bye, see ya in my next video.